Jasmy daily RSI has now approached a significant resistance zone. If you're paying attention to the daily time frame as well on the price chart, the price of Jasmycoin has now approached this significant resistance zone. The last time we came here, we got a massive correction to the downside. The last time we came here as well, this question mark area, we got a correction. The last time we came to this 0.02 3 zone, we got a correction to the downside. The price of Jasmy is currently trading around that 0.030 zone. The last time we came there, we got a multiple correction. Now a breakout of this trend line, and a retest of it will validate our bullish move to the upside, which is likely to take us first to around 0.027 and also 0.033 zone. You understand? The moment you are able to flip that 0.033 zone into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot to the upside for price of Jasmycoin. Likewise to same thing, you understand? If you're paying attention to the momentum indicator, the RSI, the moment you are breaking out of this trend line, flipping it into a support, is going to be a massive moonshot all the way to 100% level for the RSI. We are now above the 50% level for the RSI. I told you guys in our previous video. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, if you're new to this channel, please smash the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. And if you're yet to like this video, don't forget to like this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. My name is Isaac. Let's proceed. Now, I told you in the last video, the moment the BTC dominance is able to flip this 57.39 zone into a support, then it's going to be we are likely to head over to 60% zone. Now what happened? We came all the way to, I think the BTC dominance pumped all the way to 58.61%. That is, we're this close to 59%, and then got a massive rejection from there. This current weekly candle is bearish. You understand? The BTC dominant is currently looking bearish. Now, for we to invalidate the first scenario of getting to this 60%, we need to break below the 57.39% zone and close at least 2 weekly candles below it. The moment that is happening, then we are going to confirm that we are no longer heading to 60% zone for the BTC dominance. But the moment this weekly candle is able to close above the 57.39% zone and opening another bullish candle above that zone, then it is very likely that we are heading to 60% for the BTC dominance. But the correction from the 60% zone is going to be massive, like seriously, so there's nothing to worry about. If you're paying attention to what Jasmy is saying on CoinMarketCap, our market cap is currently at $1.1 billion. We are ranked number 64th position by market cap. We are up 6.1% in the last 24 hours. And if you're looking at the trading volume has recovered a little bit, but we need to get back to where we came from. We were initially having a trading volume of around $2 billion. We need to get back to that $2 billion trading volume and also surpass that level. Now, the current trading volume amount is currently at 91 million US dollars. The moment we are breaking 100 million US dollars, I think the journey should begin from there. The massive move to the upside should begin from there. Overall, I'm still very much bullish on Jasmy because we are still in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrencies in the space. So by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, now this is the BTC dummy. It's more like an indicator to be used as a confluence to know when the liquidity rotation will begin from BTC. The moment the BTC dominance start correcting to around 52% zone, that should give you an insight. That's an indication that liquidity rotation is beginning to happen. And Jasmy, since Jasmy is among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the space, Jasmy is likely to get her own share of the liquidity rotation. And if you're paying attention to what the global liquidity index is saying, now the last time the global liquidity index rose, we got a massive price move of BTC to the upside, a massive price move. By the time the global liquidity index began her correction, BTC tanked into a massive bear market. And this is the bear market we are now currently recovering from. Now, the global liquidity index, which is the one on yellow color, a global liquidity index is yet to break the previous high. But BTC has already broken above the previous high due to the BTC ETF news and every. Now, by the time the global liquidity index is taking her previous high out, is going to be a massive explosion for the overall cryptocurrency market. That is to say, you still have enough time to position before this year runs out, because if you're paying attention to the news, Chinese government are already planning to cut interest rate, which is likely to increase the global liquidity index. By the time more country joins in cutting interest rate, is going to be a massive explosion. That is when I would expect this liquidity index to take out this previous high. And by the time that is happening, before that happened, we should begin to expect BTC price to go massively higher. Stock market price, everything will begin to skyrocket into the real full-blown bull market. If you're paying attention to the 2024 US election forecast, Donald Trump is currently at 48%, while Kamala Harris is currently at 51%. It's not over until it's over. Fingers crossed. If you're paying attention to the fear and greed index, we are currently at 54%, and which is indicating neutral. You understand? Yesterday was neutral, last week was fear. So I think we are recovering a little bit. But we still need to pay attention to what the price of Jasmy is saying. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we are currently at 0.02327. You understand? We are left with 1 hour 19 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. Now, a rejection has already begun around this zone. I've warned you guys times without number. The only time we can break above this zone is if we successfully flip this trend line on the RSI into a support. That is an indication that more trading volume is coming into Jasmy. And by the time the price of Jasmy as well flip the trend line to a support, that is when we can start expecting more price move to the upside, which we are likely to see 0.027, 0.033. And in the long run, Jasmy can get to $1. It all depends on what the community wants. As long as the Jasmy team continue to roll out improved utility, this project is going to melt faces, like seriously, in the long run. $1, $1.50, 30 cents, 50 cents is very, very possible. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.